this recipe is all about execution. Timing is key, so let's preheat our waffle iron to be sure that it's ready for action. So in a large bowl, I'm going to whisk together white flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and a little bit of sugar. The sugar will help these waffles get that golden color that we love. Once our dry ingredients are combined, let's crack 3 eggs into another bowl. Then let's add the melted butter, and of course, the buttermilk. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, you can combine 1 cup of milk with 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and wait about 10 minutes. Worst case scenario, you can use regular milk, but the waffles will be missing that tanginess and fluff only buttermilk provides. If you have buttermilk leftovers, you can freeze it in 1 cup jars for another batch of waffles. Super simple, right? All right, so now let's combine the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I'm using a spatula to flip and turn the mixture until it's thoroughly combined. The key is to not overmix, and then I'm gonna let the batter stand to thicken for about 5 minutes. If you've noticed, waffle batter is thicker than pancake batter. You wanna be careful not to overfill your waffle iron because the batter will expand and it will ooze over the edges. All right, now that this first one is ready, let's check it out. Wow, look, golden brown on the outside. Oh, that looks so good. For the recipe, click on the description box right below this video. For more videos like this one every single week, subscribe to this YouTube channel.